In 2026, the market is awash with disposable tech, items designed to fail just outside their warranty. This isn't one of them. What we're examining today in this product review is the Coffee Machine Small Automatic Household Capsule Coffee Machine, Single-Serve Coffee Maker Brewer with Self-Cleaning Fast Brewing Tech Black. It is, in my professional opinion, the definitive professional-grade standard for those who demand more than mere convenience. Most coffee machines demand a ritual of cleaning, a minor but persistent time debt that gnaws at your morning calm. This unit, however, offers a quiet standard that dramatically simplifies your routine. Its auto-cleaning function, engaged simply by pressing a key without a capsule, means you sidestep that morning scrub. Imagine regaining 5 minutes on a chaotic Monday morning. 5 minutes every Monday that accumulates to hours of saved frustration throughout the year. It's a small detail, but for a professional, that is long-term value. Pick it up. This isn't hollow plastic. The chassis, though compact, feels remarkably dense, a cold aluminum reassuringly firm against your palm. There is zero flex. This tactile quality isn't just about the joy of ownership. It speaks to robust internals, materials chosen to withstand daily rigors, preventing the cost of failure that cheap alternatives inflict. The visible sealing box cover, a subtle design choice, reinforces this commitment to longevity and hygiene, keeping fine materials inside exactly where they belong, avoiding that frustrating replacement cycle altogether. Now, no tool is perfect. There's a particular nuance to its operation. You must remember to add water before hitting brew. In a world of over-automation, some might call this a minor oversight. I see it as a professional compromise, a trade-off for the machine's overall focused efficiency and internal durability. Once it's integrated into your muscle memory, it becomes utterly irrelevant to your daily workflow. This is a product review about more than just coffee. It's about investing in a professional-grade tool, reducing decision fatigue, and reclaiming your valuable time. The 2026 update on this model reinforces its commitment to long-term value. Amazon prices on these models are moving constantly, often with significant fluctuations. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.